Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Abdul Rahman Talib is a school located at Jalan Al-Akar, Kuantan, Pahang. This school is founded by Dr. Abdul Rahman Talib in 12 January 1964 and selected as a cluster school in 30 March 2007.
Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles in the Earth's environment that adversely affects humans, wildlife, and their habitats. Plastic spoons are one of the contributors to plastic pollution. On the other hand, our school faces the problem that the classes are a little bit dark and gloomy, which may cause students to lose focus during learning periods. Due to that, we have made a product using recyclable material called Smart Beam. This idea will be used in a dark class or hostel to enlighten the dark places. At the same time, this product will reuse plastic spoons so it can reduce the plastic pollution that we face.
This is a sketch from our product. This product can be controlled by Internet of Things (IoT) that can lit up our phone and automatically turn on when the environment getting darker and gloom. Move to the next part. The electronic system are controlled by Arduino Uno, like the binary resistor, LDR, bulb, and etc. The Arduino Uno works as a brain for this system and arrange all the information that it receives. Last but not least, for the output, bulb will lit up when Arduino Uno sends signal and give enough electric current. The total for the product is 70 ringgit